फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू डेवलप अ क्यू कार्ड विद इन अ मिनट। सो दिस वीडियो वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू द स्टूडेंट्स जो कि 1 मिनट में क्यू कार्ड नहीं डेवलप कर पाते और उनको 2 मिनट कवर करने में क्यू कार्ड में बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक फॉर 2 मिनट्स ऑन अ सिंगल टॉपिक। उनके लिए ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी वीडियो। सो इस वीडियो में हम आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ प्रॉपर एक क्यू कार्ड लेके एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि विद इन अ मिनट आप क्यू कार्ड को कैसे डेवलप करके 2 से 3 मिनट तक उस टॉपिक के ऊपर स्पीक कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर दैट देयर आर सम कीवर्ड्स जो कि आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिख रहे हैं। सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दोज कीवर्ड्स आप इजीली उस टॉपिक के ऊपर 1 मिनट तक इन कीवर्ड्स के ऊपर उस टॉपिक को कवर कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद रिमेनिंग 1 मिनट आप प्रॉपर उस स्टोरी को डेवलप कर सकते हैं जो कि क्यू कार्ड का मेन आइडिया है। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक। कोई भी टॉपिक है, आपको इन कीवर्ड्स के ऊपर आप टॉपिक के ऊपर कुछ पॉइंट्स को लिख के बाद में उनको डेवलप कर सकते हो। सो दोज कीवर्ड्स आर, फर्स्ट इज व्हाट, सेकंड वेयर, थर्ड व्हेन, 4 who, 5 is which, 6 why, and 7 is how. So we are going to discuss a topic that is the topic from makkar May to August file, and it is the second topic from that file. So it would also be helpful to the students who are going to appear in the examination in these months. So the topic name is describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. So we are going to develop this topic on these keywords. So first is what. What means की. Where means कहाँ. When means कब. Who means कौन. Which means कौन सा. Why means क्यों. How means कैसे. So we will develop the topic according to these keywords. So first of all what. What means की. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू नो कि हमने इस टॉपिक में क्या बताना है। सो डिस्क्राइब समथिंग डैट यू डिड विद समवन और अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। तो आपने ये बताना है कोई बात या कोई थिंग जो कि आपने ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के साथ की। सो सबसे पहले द मेन थिंग इज इफ़ यू कैन स्पीक about your genuine experience, that is best, and you need not to cram something from any YouTube channel or any Google information. Just you need to develop a general topic according to your own experience. That is the best idea. So for that, first of all, what means key. So I can tell you from my real life experience a thing that I did with some group of people. It was a time of our 12th standard and we had made a science project that was a working model project. So I can explain you that in this topic. And on that occasion we were 4 people and 3 were my friends. So we all did this project. So first of all, what means key. So what was it? It was a science exhibition. It was a science project. Then second is where. So where we did this. So we did this in our school when I was in my 12th standard. When it was the same time and I was in the 12th standard, where it was our school. And when I was in my 10th standard, 12th standard, sorry, who I did it with my friends, and they were 3 friends of my class and they were my classmates. Then moving on to which it was as it was a science project, so it was a working model, and it was a physics exhibition, and it was on working model. And why? So why it was necessary for us to participate in this competition was because our teacher told us that it is mandatory to participate. Only those students will get the assessment marks who will participate in this competition. So how we will proper explain it. We will develop a story of this topic and the upcoming by making upcoming slides by making a circle. So as I have told you all these keywords, first is what means what it was a science project. Second is where. So we have covered it. It is the location is school. When I was in 12th standard and my school time, who I have done it with my friends, and 3 of my friends and 1 was I. We were total of 4 person including me, and all those were my classmates, which it was a working model. That was a physics subject model. So why? As I've told you, it was mandatory for us to participate in this competition because only those students will get the grades or the assessment marks who will participate in this competition. So we were forced to do this by our teacher. And last one was How means you have to develop a proper story to explain how you made that project with the help of group of individuals, that is my friends, how I made all those projects. So for this, first of all, you need to draw a circle, and then write the main keywords. Within a minute you can write the main keywords that you need to speak along this circle. As now we have made a circle, and on the circumference of this circle, especially on the dashes that are shown on the circumference of the circle, you can develop a topic. Now first of all, before starting this topic, I am going to say you one thing, that is a suggestion to all those students who are not able to complete their 2 minutes. What they can do is, they need not to start on the topic those words that are written on the screen. First of all, what they can do is, they can just speak around of 15 to 20 seconds on the some content that is related to topic, and they need not to start the topic. So according to this topic, the heading of this topic is something or someone when you worked with a group of people. So the topic is when you worked with a group of people. So here you can do is, you can say something about working with a group of people, like you can say, I am a good team player, and I have worked with a lot of individuals in my life. I have worked with a plethora of lot of individuals in my life, and I have great experiences also. And sometimes I was also disappointed. Sometimes I was also disappointed by working with some other person. So now you can start with the topic by speaking all these 3-4 lines. You can easily cover around time of around 15 seconds. So now you can go with the topic. Today I'm going to describe about the experience when I worked with a group of individuals. And now you can start according to these keywords. That is when I was in my 12th standard, and I was in my school, and in the 12th standard, so I worked with my friends, and we were total of 4 people, a group of 4 people, and we worked to make a science project. So what was it? This project was of a working model, and it was our physics exhibition. So during that time we had to make a working model. So these all things are now covered. All these things are till now covered. So last these are left. So last is why it was mandatory, why it was necessary to make it. The reason being, our class teacher told us that only those students will get the grades or assignment marks who will submit or participate in this competition. So it was very necessary for us to participate in this competition. So this is a science project that I have participated in, and we all divided the work, and we made a working model that was a robot in this competition. So now in the second circle, here you can develop about the complete topic. What was it, how you worked together, and how you cooperated with one another, and completed this work. So first of all, now how you made this robot. So you can explain that we all divided the work in different categories. In this robot we had installed 3 sensors, and those sensors were 3 sensors. One was a light sensor, one was a rain sensor, and one was a direction sensor. And last work to make this model was to move it. So for that we divided all these 4 things among all these 4 people, and I was given the task to make a light sensor, and one of my friend Raman, he was given the task to make a rain sensor, and Mohan was given the task to make a direction sensor, and the last person who was given the task to make a moving robot. So he just picked a remote car, and by using thermocol he made that car, he built that car, and I made a light sensor. In that light sensor, what was the purpose of it? When there was a darkness in front of the robot, the light started glowing from it. And the rain sensor, when the water started dropping on it, when the water was dropped on it, so it started making a sound. And in the direction sensor, when there was an obstacle in front of that robot, so it just changed its direction. And we fitted all these sensors in it, and we just presented it in front of the judges, and I explained them whole of the model and the working of it, and then we waited for the result. So when we got to know the result, we were on the 7th heaven. You can use some idioms also, like one idiom can be used as we burnt midnight oil, that is we worked very hard. Burnt midnight, there are two idioms we can use here now. Burnt midnight oil means we worked very hard to make this robot, and when we received a prize, that is when we got to know a result, we came to know that we stood first and we were on the seventh heaven. We were over the moon and we were on the seventh heaven. So these two idioms could be used if you will use idioms in your speaking. So this will boost your scores, especially in LR part, that is lexical resources. So this is a topic that I have developed alongside the circle. So now I will speak this topic, and then you can get to know the timing. I think by developing this topic, now the students can easily cover a time of more than 2.5 minutes, that is around 3 minutes. So let us begin this topic. So here is a clock. So we will begin this topic now, and just from these keywords only I will develop the whole of the topic. Fine. So let's begin the topic. So I am a good team player, and in my life I have worked with a lot of individuals, and I have great many experiences also, while sometimes I was also disappointed while working with some people. So today I'm going to describe out a time when I worked with some group of people, and it was my 12th standard, and I was in my school, and I worked with some of my friends. We were a total of 4 people, and our group of 4 people, 3 were my friends who were my class fellows, and including me. So we made a science project, and it was a working model. It was our physics exhibition. So at that time we had to make a working model, and it was mandatory for us to make this model because our class teacher told us that only those students will get the final marks or final grades and assessment marks who will participate in this competition. So owing to this reason, it was mandatory for us to participate in this competition. So in this competition we made a robot, and to make this robot we divided the whole of the work between among us. So for this, what was this model? It was a robot, and we have installed 3 different types of sensors in this robot. One was a light sensor, one was a rain sensor, and one was a direction sensor. And the last part of this project was to make it moving. So we divided the work among all 4 of us. So I was assigned the work to make a light sensor, and one of my friend Sham, he was given the work to make a rain sensor, and apart from that Mohan was given to make a direction sensor, and last one was given the task to make it moving. So what my part was, I made a light sensor. In this light sensor, how it worked was, when there was a darkness in front of the robot, when we switched off the light, and at that time the light started glowing from this robot. And in the rain sensor, when the water was dropped down the sensor, automatically there was a sound that was coming out of the robot. And in the direction sensor, when there was any obstacle in front of the robot, at that time it changed its direction. So my last friend, who just used the remote car as well as a thermocol to make it moving, with the help of all 4 of us, we made this model, and we burnt midnight oil in order to make this robot, and we presented it before the judges, and I explained to them whole of its working, and we were very eager to know about the result. And when we came to know the result, we were on the 7th heaven, as we got to know we stood first in this competition. And this was a time when I worked with some individuals, and this was one of the best experience of my life when I worked with my friends. So now you can check the time. It's almost 2 minutes 45 seconds. So you can easily cover a time of 2 to 2.5 minutes by developing these keywords. I think 1 minute is easily covered within these keywords, and after that, for the next 1 minute, you can develop the main story of this topic. So just you can have a look on the screen. Forgive us for the handwriting, because the main thing is it's not easy to write on the screen, and I hope that you would have understood the topic. And if you liked our video today, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends who are currently preparing for the IELTS exam. So a very thanks to all those students who watched our video till the last. Thank you.